The Blue Star Unit. The Blue Star Apartment Suite is a spacious one-bedroom apartment offering approximately 610 square feet of well-designed living space. Fully self-contained, the suite features air conditioning, high-speed Wi-Fi, a fully equipped kitchenette, private bathroom, comfortable living area, and a large bedroom with generous closet and storage space. Designed to accommodate both short-term guests and extended-stay visitors, the suite provides an attractive combination of indoor comfort and outdoor coastal living. Its practical layout, ample storage, and self-sufficient amenities make it particularly appealing to seasonal residents, snowbirds, and longer-term guests seeking an alternative to traditional hotel accommodations. The pool is just steps from the front door of the apartment suite. As part of Villa Star of the Seas accommodation inventory, the Blue Star Apartment Suite represents a versatile revenue-generating unit, or just a long-term accommodation, that would appeal to a broad range of travelers while supporting both nightly rental and extended stay occupancy models.